What's up everybody from Chanthaburi in Thailand? I'm Jason Rupp. I'm gonna get an ear cleaning at NK Barbershop with Niko. Alright, let's head in. Sawadee krap kun Niko. ถอดเคหูได้ไหมครับ
ได้ครับผม
Okay. Let me get my ear cleaned. I'm excited. It's always a new video because you never know what's going to be in there.
Okay ไหมครับ
Okay, come. Oh, it's nice and warm. I can hear the bubbles of the hydrogen peroxide.
เดี๋ยวน้องครับเดี๋ยวพี่ขอทำแป๊บเนี่ยแต่ต่อเขาเลยโอเคเนี่ยเจสัน
Come.
น้องเยอะมาก
Oh, Mark.
Okay.
You're Mark. Okay, dang. Okay, he's doing well. I like that. That was a big one. Oh, dang, Mark.
Okay.
Oh, good. I hate that earwax. Good. That's a big glob. That's two big globs. Okay, I like the way he's working.
จ็บไหมครับ
ไม่เจ็บ Yes, if it hurts. I mean, there was a few moments where it hurt, but mostly not. Nice, good, king. Wow, it's just bubbling in there non-stop. It's like I got Coca-Cola in my ear. I can hear it right now. It's just bubbling. It's like popcorn with all that peroxide. Right there. Wow, my ear feels really clean.มีเยื่อใช่ไหม
มีเยอะครับ
โอ้ดีมาก
โล่งเลย โอเค
Wow, that feels so clean. ชอบจริง
yeah โอเคไหมครับ
โอ้โอเค
ปึ๊บนี่ไม่เท่าไรนี่น้อย
Neat noise?
ครับผม
Oh, the other. He says this. Usually, I think my left side has the most, but he says the left has the least. The right one had a lot, actually. Yeah, I feel it. Diane. It's like snap, crackle, pop in there. It's just popping. Popping from the peroxide.
มี1 คิวครับ
เอาปีละแล้ว
ประมาณชั่วโมงหนึง
Oh, wait. My left side, it seems to make me cough during an ear cleaning.
Thằngนี้มีน้อยครับ
Ching Lao?
ครับผมอันนี้จะมีประมาณแค่
Oh, just that? Oh, me noi noi.
มีน้อย
Oh, yeah. He said the left side doesn't have that much. I said, yeah, but I want a lot.
ๆ โอเคครับ
Oh, sit now.
เสร็จแล้วครับ
Oh, that was relaxing. Okay.
โอเค
That ear cleaning was putting me to sleep. If it put you to sleep, let me know in the comments section, okay? I was really enjoying that. Oh, thank you, NK. Niko.
โอเคครับ ขอบคุณครับ
Kafun Kab.
ครับผม
Oh, I like that. My ears feel so light now. That was great. Oh, I love this.
I don't know
Here?
อันนี้
Oh,
แค่หู
Keho.
80
Betsiba. Okay. Die. Kapun Nakab.
ครับผมขอบคุณครับ
Kapun Kab Mankan. Oh, that was fantastic. Love that. Sawadee Kab. Kapun Kab.
ครับผม
Jetkan.
ครับผม
Oh,
ต้อ
that's
ง
so
การ
cool.
มาเชิญใหม่นะครับ
Okay, die. My die cup. Turn cup. Alright, so that was getting an ear cleaning in Chanthaburi, which is famous for durian and gem trading. It's an awesome city with lots of nature and national parks and all that stuff. And right now it's durian season, so that's why I came and ate a lot of durian already. My cheeks are popping out from all that durian. It's really delicious, healthy, also full of fat, but really good, like an avocado, like all the healthy fat. Hope you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you liked that video, make sure to click thumbs up. Check out my Instagram and my TikTok. Thank you everybody for watching this video, all the Thai people, all the subscribers, all the members, everybody for clicking thumbs up. Wish you peace, love, health, and happiness. Remember to love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, that was a nice ear cleaning. Total earwax removal. Love that. Oh, thank you, NK. Thank you. All right, good to have a beer after that.